guys, Mr. Lighted here. We're back with Piglet's big game. So, we need to do a bit of reverse going backwards. Reason being...
And so Piglet proved himself the true hero he was by helping his friend. Piglet faced his fears, and he was now no longer frightened of heffalumps and woozles. Now it was their turn to run away, as Piglet tried to catch them all.
The good news is, I now know where those last cookies are. Yep, I've actually figured it out. I can't believe how dumb I was not to notice. Reason being, it's in kind of a silly place. Anyway, let's go heffalump and woozle hunting. They're not very bright, I'll give them that. Hello, you two folks. Let's see if this... Oh, hang on, I can get in. Got you. The other... Oh, right, there's another one. Come on, get the other one. What? There's another one? There were 4? Okay, that was unexpected. I thought there was only 3. No, apparently there were 4. Oh, that's a bad start to this part, isn't it? Back we go. Oh, woozles, I'm coming for you. Right, let's try this again. Where are you? Yep, there are 4 of them. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Just gotta get the other one. Oh, what the heck? Okay, that is not very long to get these guys. You haven't got long to catch them. We're going to need to try some tactics here. This is going to be a bit tricky, but we'll give it a go. Let's see what we can do about this. Apologies, but this might take a while. These living woozles are being stubborn. There's 1. Come on. There we go. Nice going, Piglet. You caught them. Okay, that was tricky for the first one. That was only the first one. Jeez. Okay. Let's go into Eeyore's den. And let's go find out where the others are. There's apparently some right here. Oh, the heffalumps. Okay. There's 1. Come on, come on. He got it. Darn it! I couldn't see the flipping... I couldn't see it because it was behind the candle. Right, we gotta do this again. Oh my flip, this is getting insane. Okay, this entire thing might just be one flipping video at this rate. Alright, Piglet, down you go again. Let's try this again. Alright, let's try it again. Okay, Piglet, go for the heffalumps. Where are you folks? There's one. There's two. Three. Come on, come on. There. Okay, that wasn't as difficult. Okay. Phew! Alright. Moving on into the next room. Come on, in there. Now, this might be Eeyore's room. Yes. I know where the last cookies are. They're on here. I can't believe I missed these. There we go. We have now got all the cookies in this level. That was annoying. So, let's go hunting, shall we? We'll start in here. I believe there's 2 rooms per door. And we'll start with these idiots. Hello, Woozle. Hello, Heffalumps. And there we go. Those guys are now mine. Now we might... Yep, we're going to have to go in here next, I believe. Wait, hang on. Let me have a look at something a second. If I look at the map... Huh, okay. This is useful. This tells me where they are. So the room up there... In there are no enemies. So I don't need to go in there, but I do need to go into all the other rooms. There are no enemies there. Well, that's a relief to find out via the map. So now, I think we're going to take this door next. Let's go deal with these guys, shall we? Shouldn't be too difficult. Okay, this room. Let's see, where are those guys? I see you! Oh, flip, there's another one. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? There! The heck? Okay, that was a bit annoying. Right, back up we go, and back in we go. I gotta admit, this one's causing me a bit of difficulty. I guess it's because the time limit now is not as long as I would like. But it looks like the other one was in the bottom left corner. So let's go down here first. Nope. There's him. There he is. I see you there. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. That was not very good. They're basically the other one, I believe, is in the bottom right. And he basically, yeah, that's going to be annoying. They both start on that side, so yeah, not exactly easy, is it? Here we go again! Let's go for this guy up here. Wait, he's down there now? Oh, come off it! Oh, come on, that was stupid. That was really dumb. What the heck was that about? That didn't seem like it was... Oh, yeah, because I went up top first and he had moved downwards. Bit sneaky of him, guaranteed. Right, let's try this again. There you are, matey. Alright, we got him. Let me go down here. He was literally behind the statue. That little sneak. He was literally behind the statue. I had a feeling he'd be there, and I was in fact correct. Well, that's a bit annoying. Anyway, moving on. Hello, Mr. Topsy-turvy guy. Well, that was easy. There's only one in this room. So now we've only got 2 more to go. 2 more rooms. Then this is done. Let's go do our business. And thank goodness we've actually got all the cookies up until this point, which is awesome. Right, let's go this way. Okay. I think there's only 2 rooms left, which are up here. And if this one's the dining room, which is really going to be interesting because of the way it's laid out. I see one to the left. Come here. They got him. Where are the others? Oh, he's up there. Get him. Oh, there's another one somewhere. Oh, you woozle. There you are. There we go. Oh, they actually give you lots of time for this one. I suppose that's fair enough, considering how big the flipping room is. It's huge. Now there's only 1 room left to go. Enter. And, well, catch ourselves some enemies. Let's go catch them, and I don't know what happens to them. I guess they just disappear for good. Heffalump! They got him. Where are the others? I don't believe it! That was annoying. Okay, back we go. Let's try that again. I hope this doesn't end up just being the whole video. Have to see when I put it all together. Okay, you lot, prepare. There's only 2 of you, and I want you both to be mine. There's one. Where's the other one? Hurry up. Oh my flip! Wow, you really don't get the time for this one. Jeez, this is difficult. The time limit is really short, probably because the heffalumps are so slow, they expect you to catch them with ease. Which would be the case if the other one wasn't right on the other side of the room. Hey, here we go. Let's try this again. Look at this guy. They got him. Yes! Right on the last second. Phew, that was rough, wasn't it? There we go. You are the bravest of them all. Heck yes, I am. Do not mess with piglets. That was good, wasn't it? So, now we're ready to proceed with the game. Okay, so it's done. We now have all the cookies there.
Now that Rabbit was asleep, Piglet became the hero of Rabbit's dreams.
Are you ready? It's time to go and visit our good friend Rabbit. Let's do it!
My carrots. Must get my carrots to safety. They'll be ruined. Oh, my carrots. Ah, if only Piglet were here. He could help me save my carrots from the rain.
Thought Rabbit, falling asleep, and that's exactly what he dreamt about.
Oh, no, Piglet, not now. I'm much too busy. It's going to rain, and all my carrots will be flooded. If I don't get my carrot extractor working correctly, everything will be ruined. Oh, what a disaster.
What can I do to help, Rabbit?
I've got to fix this machine. Oh, no. My carrots. Oh, how am I going to get them all picked if I'm stuck here? Piglet. Please. I need to get the extractor going again.
Well, that was a bit weird. Okay, so in Rabbit's dream, now I'm going to be ending the video shortly because this took a while according to my recording software. So before we end the video, we're just going to clear this area of the cookies so we can get that out of the way. Okay, nope. This one? No. This looks promising. I was right. There we go. Let's see, anything, hang on. I see a very interesting tool over here. A shovel.
Piglet had found a shovel.
So, what about this? No. The heck are the other cookies? Aha, I was right. Come on. Very good. So that's all the cookies in this area, plus we got ourselves a shovel. So guys, I'm going to end the video here. Next time, we can finally start up with Rabbit's dream. Let's go see what we can do to get Rabbit's extractor still working again. I will see you guys next episode.